Hello everyone. This dance is called Gotta Go Dancing by Liberman. It is for my friends up in New Brunswick who attended the Athoville workshop up there. And there's no step sheet for this dance, so I'm going to do my very best to try to go through the steps. We are going to do the entire dance. We're going to do a teach, and we're going to go through the dance. So it will be ABBA, tag 1, ABBA. Then we're going to do the first 16 counts of A, add our bridge or part C, finish part A. Then right after the bridge and part A, we're going to do tag 2, then A, and then we're going to finish off the dance with part A with a special ending. Okay, we will start with part A. Section 1, we point our right toe to the right. We're going to do a ball step to our left, ball step, and we're going to hold. Then we're going to do another ball step and point our right foot behind our left. Then we are going to do a side recover cross and a step together with a slight diagonal turn. And we're going to flick our left hand out to the left and flick our right to the right. 4 and 8. Section 2, you're going to do a cross, side, behind, side, cross. You're going to step to the right and do a hip roll to the left. When you're going to step to the left, and when you do your hip roll to the right, you're going to make a quarter turn. That's section 2. Section 3, we do 2 camel steps. 1, 2. We're going to do a mambo step back, rock, recover, back. We're going to do a whip and dip. So your left, we're going to do a half turn first, but the left will flip around. Sort of a hitch, drop, dip, come back up. Section 3, step, touch behind, shuffle forward, right together, right. We're going to do a kick, ball, point with a quarter turn to our left. Let us do part A with a count. The count starts on count 8. So it will be 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, hold 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. So that's part A. Following part A, we do part B. Part B will start off with a ball, step back diagonal, and dip and touch. So it's going to be ball, step, touch, step, touch, step, touch, step, touch. Then we're going to do a ball cross for section 2. Do a unwind for 2 counts. Then we're going to do out, out. Left heel goes to the left, right heel to the right, and we do a kick, ball, point. We do part B twice, so I'm going to do part B now with a count. It's going to be and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2 and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. So we did A, B, B. We're going to do A again. I will do it with a count. So this is 8 and 1, hold 2 and 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. So we just finished ABBA. Now it's time for tag 1. So this is count 8. With tag 1, you're going to do a ball point with your left, hold for 1, then we're going to do a half turn, Monterey, step together. So that will be tag 1, and then you're going to start again with A, which would be point and step touch. So we are here facing 12 o'clock. We just finished A, so it would be 7 and 8, and 1, hold 2, turn 3, 8 and 1, hold 2, and 3, 4, 5 and 6, and 7 and 8. So we're continuing on with A after the tag. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And B. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8. Part A. And 1, hold 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. So up to this point, we did A, B, B, A, tag 1, A, B, B, A. Now it's time for our bridge, or part C. So we do the first 16 counts of part A, we add our bridge, then we finish with the last 16 counts of part A. So the first 16 counts, and rock 1, hold 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. First 16 counts of part A. Now we add our bridge. We walk, walk, step, half pivot to your left. You do a step, lock, shuffle to the right, jazz, ox, cross, back, side, and you're gonna hop together. And then you're gonna step, hip, step, turn. We do exactly the same thing. So we do part C again. So it's 1, 2, 3, turn 4, step lock for 5, 6, shuffle 7 and 8. Jazz 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we are going to finish off part A with a camel, camel, mambo back, sweep, dip, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. So after our bridge, immediately after that section, and we finish the last 16 counts of part A, we are going to do our second tag. So we just do 8 and 1, hold 2, and 3, 4. Same as part A. Now we're going to shuffle side together, side, and we're going to do a kick, ball, point. So that's tag number 2. Now we're going to do section A again. So it's 8 and 1, hold 2, and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. We have one more full 8 count. And 1, hold 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. And we're back facing 12 o'clock. Now we have to finish off the dance with a little bit different count for the first 4. So weights on the left. It's going to be 8 and 1, hold 2, 3. So we're going to hold 2 and 3, false step for 4, and dip, bringing your right hand down for 5. So again, we point out to the right. So it's 8 and 1, hold 2, 3, and 4, 5. That is the whole dance. I hope you enjoyed. Once again, there is no step sheet, so I'm hoping that I have at least a count somewhat correct. And I hope you enjoy this dance. It's a great, super dance. I actually love it. And hopefully be doing it at our workshops. Okay, have a great day, and thanks, Jonno.